Hello, welcome to SAT Math Review. My name is Jonathan. We are discussing the College Board SAT Practice Test Number 10, Section 3, Question 9, Subject XY Coordinate Planes. Which of the following is an equation of line L in the XY plane above? Choice A, x minus y equals -4. B, x minus y equals 4. C, x plus y equals -4. D, x plus y equals 4. Okay, an equation of a line can be expressed as y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope of the line. It is the change in y when x increases by 1. So we see points on the provided line in the form xy on line L. We can denote some of them going from left to right. We have -5, 1, -4, 0, -3, -1, -2, -2, -1, -3, 0, -4, and lastly 1, -5. And we see that as x increases by 1, each time the change in y is -1. So for example, if we go from -3, -1 to -2, -2, we see x increasing by 1 and the y-coordinate decreasing by 1, going from -1 to -2. The change is -1. And that's our slope. M equals -1. Now, a more technically precise way to find the slope is, if we're able to compare any 2 points on the line. So we have point -4, 0 on the x-axis, and we have point 0, -4 on the y-axis. Let's take a look at those 2 points. Let's compare them. And we can find the slope by taking the difference of the y's and dividing that by the difference of the x's. So -4 minus 0 is the difference of the y's, and the difference of the x's is 0 minus -4. And we can simplify that to -4 divided by 4, because 0 minus -4 is 4. And -4 divided by 4 equals -1. And that supports the slope we had found with our more observational technique. So now that we found m, we have y equals -1 times x. And now let's find b. b is the y-intercept, or the value of y when x equals 0. So we already found our point 0, -4, the y-intercept, where line L intercepts the y-axis. So when x equals 0, y equals -4, and that's the value of b, -4. So we have our equation of the line y equals -1 times x plus -4, which simplifies to y equals -x minus 4. We can add x to both sides, and we'll get x plus y equals -4. And we see that's equivalent to choice C. That's our answer. Now, we could take an alternate solution if we don't know the equation of the line. As long as we can clarify 2 points on the line, we can substitute those values into the equations. So let's take a look. We observe any 2 points. Let's try points -4, 0 and 0, -4. We test both points until they both work. So in answer A, we first try point -4, 0. X is -4 minus y, which is 0, and -4 minus 0 equals -4, and that works. Let's try point 0, -4. x is 0 minus y, which is negative 4, equals negative 4. No, that's not true. 0 minus negative 4 is 4. 4 does not equal negative 4. So answer A is not correct. Let's try answer B. Let's first try point negative 4 is 0. B's solution is x minus y equals 4. So negative 4 minus 0 does not equal 4. That is not correct. Let's try answer C. X plus y equals negative 4, so negative 4 plus 0 does equal negative 4. Let's try the other point, 0, negative 4. 0 plus negative 4 does equal negative 4. So answer C is correct. And as we can see, answer D is not. I hope you have enjoyed this analysis as much as I have. In the description section of this video, I have provided resource links for the College Board SAT, 8 SAT practice tests, and answer explanations. Please continue with question 10 by clicking on the left side of the screen, or please review my SAT practice test number 10, section 3 playlist by clicking on the right side of the screen. And please subscribe to my SAT Math Review channel by clicking on the blue circle on the top of the screen. I'm actively rolling out new videos, so please be on the lookout for them. See you next time.